The ingredients are as many eggs as you want, salt and pepper. Okay, so first of all we're going to break the eggs so that the white is in one big bowl and I have the yolk in a smaller one. So try to do this less messy than I am doing right now. I'm just gonna do it with my hands because I think it's easier. There we go. So white in a big bowl, yolk in a small one. Alright, so now I'm going to whisk the egg whites until they're fluffy. So this is the result you are looking for. It looks quite firm and also it kind of stands up in little peaks when you run your whisk through it. Also whisk the egg yolks. There we go. Now the next step is to gently spoon the egg yolks through the egg whites. Now it's very important you do this with a spoon and not with a whisk because you want the fluffiness to maintain. There we go. Now take a little pan and put it on a low fire. We're going to use a non-stick pan. If you don't have one, you can always use a regular one and add some butter or olive oil. When your pan is starting to get hot, add the mixture carefully. Spread it around in the pan. Now put a lid on it and let it fry for a few minutes. Halfway through, we're going to season it with salt and pepper. And some salt. And again, put the lid on there. And there we go. Here we have the final result. We fold it in half and now you can serve it with some tomato sauce or some ketchup or some bacon.
Jiggles.
Thank you guys for watching and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!